Hello everyone, welcome to Urbanscape Bangalore. And a while ago, you saw an instant garden treat for your winter rise. So I was thinking that I was unnecessarily sitting in judgment of instant gratification or gardenification. And I've realized that I need to embrace all types of gardening concepts, and so this is, in a way, a video to provide you and myself with a perspective that we may not quite agree with, but regardless, need to accept it for what it is worth. So the arrangement was quite self explanatory. I had the mini tree fern as my focal point, and all the other floral plants were just rubies around this crown. I used a container that wasn't of any use in the kitchen, created a hole in it, and the rest is what you see. The potting mix was just equal proportions of compost and sand and a little bit of cocoa chips to add that extra bit of aeration. I covered the hole with a piece of broken pot, added some potting mix, and one by one stuffed the plants into the container. I then backfilled and spread the elixir of life water. So the tree fern that you see here had these brown leaves and I wanted to remove them and keep the green parts. It was completely root bound and I teased some of the roots to signal the plant to spread its tentacles in its new home. And now for some TMI, the rain played spoilsport while filming and I had to run for cover. The fern, after adding all the blooming plants, looked a little stunted, so I raised it up a little so that it retains its position as the feather in the cap. Now, I don't know how long all these plants will survive in the long run. The zinnia is an annual and may fade away very soon. The chrysanthemum's temperament is something mere mortals like us can't comprehend with, so it's a cliffhanger that way. The begonia might hold its ground, but I'm not very sure. But the mini tree fern, I'm sure, if given some dapple shade, water, etc., will grow in this container and will make it its own. So, yes, instant gratification has its perks too. So, for those of you who may not have the perfect climate to grow some plants, such arrangements are like seasonal treats that will make life worth living. So, with this, we have come to the end of yet another episode of Urbanscape Bangalore. And for those of you who would like to see its progression over time, I will make a short clip and attach it in some other video. Additionally, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given below. For more information on how I will be taking care of this arrangement, you can read the description box below. Thank you for watching, and until we meet again, a very warm goodbye.